Hi guys, good morning. I wake up not so long ago. First, let's have a coffee. I'm quite excited to unbox the big, huge box behind me. That's my new bike. Just finished stripping everything, all the covers in the bike to really protect them very well. So that's the good thing because I don't want to have scratches. This is kind of like a bit luxurious looking bike. It has a brown leather seats and a brown handle, and it's white, so you don't want to ruin the aesthetic of the bike. Anyways, the big box comes with a small box. That's where the charger is. The charger looks like a charger for laptop. Oh, this is the one I'm looking for, the manual. So then I can finish the assembly. And I know that I found a video of putting this together on YouTube, but it's not so clear. You do it very fast, so it's very handy to have the manual to make it sure that we put them properly and you don't want to damage or ruin your bike. This bike, it's quite pricey, but I think it's really worth it. I've just decided to get this bike. It's just because my work is really nearby in the house. It's less than actually 4 kilometers, and I don't really exercise these days because I'm so busy. So having the bike and it's summer, that's really a lot of fun. So yeah, here's the rest of the bits and bobs that I have to put them all together. And the handy thing is it comes with the tools. So let's the fun of putting this together begin. So first is we're going to put the handlebar. We're just gonna loosen up the screw here and we'll place the handlebar in the middle. The handle should be like that, so we're just gonna put the screw here. I don't know where it is. S4. I'll figure it out later. So now I've done putting the handle, so I'm gonna do next the tires. So we have to flip over the bike, so it's a lot easier to assemble them.
think so.